Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 1945 Jeep CJ-2A. This is the very first year production of the Jeep when they were making the changeover from the Willys to the Jeep. There is a reproduction VIN plate on the dashboard that says 1942. We believe that is incorrect. There are some serial numbers on the frame and some other indications on the engine that we believe it's a 45, first year production. So there was around 1,800 of these built total. We got this actually from somebody I've known for about 30 years. It was their father's. Sat in storage for a long time. Sadly, he passed away. And here we have his old Jeep on the market. It does have new tires. Transmission has been rebuilt. New carburetor, new fuel lines, new brake lines. It's got new points, new cap, new rotor, and new starter, and a new battery. It does have seat belts. It runs great. I've gotten it up to 50 miles an hour using my GPS speedometer. It's pretty peppy. It's a lot of fun to drive. The headlights work. The blackout light works over here on the fender. This does work. The wipers work. Oil pressure gauge works. Fuel gauge does not work. Temperature gauge does work. Speedometer bounces around. It is not accurate. It's a lot of fun. Pretty complete here. Four-wheel drive is working. Like I said, it's got seat belts, which is nice. Let's see, it should start right up. It's always been easy to start so far since all those pieces have been done. We got it tuned up here. Starts right up pretty easy. It does have a choke that you can pull out and use as well. Sounds real good. Just fun, gets a lot of looks. Got the shovel and the axe on there. I'll show you the windshield wiper here real quick. Just pull that. There you go. That's how you use it. Both of them do work. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. We have a clean title on this, Texas title. It's not a restored Jeep, but it has been mechanically all gone through. There is some Bondo on the vehicle, and people have probably messed with it along the years. But just a fun little parade Jeep or run around town, lake house, something like that, the neighborhood. We can ship anywhere in the United States. We can work with your bank if you want. Out-of-state deals are pretty easy. Hope to hear from you soon on this one. Thank you.